Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Konishko and you are watching Code Simplified. In our last video, we have talked about why Python is such a powerhouse in 2026. Today, we are getting our hands started. We are going to install Python on our machine so you can start writing your own very code. So let's jump in. So before starting, please like and subscribe my channel as this will give me immense boost to increase more number of videos in my channel. So first, so let's start. So first we will be going to our own browser and go to the official website of Python, that is python.org. We will be just searching Python and it usually detects the operating system, your operating system. Now in your downloads, you can see the Python 3.14.3. This is the latest version. We will be installing this one only. Nothing else we will be installing. Once the file is downloaded, now stop right here. This is the most important part of my whole video. So first open my file. So just so now we will be starting. So here you will be pressing yes. The installation has started. To make sure everything went smoothly, we need to check our work. We are currently now it is installing. And one thing, you make sure that you add Python to your path. So it will take some time. It is the setup progress bar only. The setup is in progress. This will take a little bit of time. So this is just our second video. Today we will be just installing our Python. The next days we will be installing our own IDE, that will be VS Code, or you all can do any other IDs also. You can also use your own online IDs also, like Cursor or any other IDs. That will be very much okay for me. It's taking a little bit of time because it is recompiling standard libraries and each and everything. It will be installing all the parts. So setup was successful and we will be closing it. Now we will be going to our CMD prompt. Yes. So see, when you write Python, you can see that Python 3.14.3 is already present. So let's start. So before writing Python, you can check your version like this also, or rather you can check your version like the method like Python version. And here you will be seeing that the Python version, the latest Python, that is 3.14.3, will be installed. So now let's write our first code, a very basic print hello world. But the catch is that we will be using REPL. So first we will understand what is REPL. So REPL is read, evaluate, print, loop. So I will be discussing about this. So first we will be going here and you will be understanding what is REPL. So it is like a read, evaluate, print, loop. It is like an interactive programming environment that allows developer to write, test, and debug code in real time. So how we will be getting our REPL? Very easy, very easy. Like in the CMD only, write Python and you have entered into the REPL. So today we will be writing our first Python program. Everybody, please be enthusiastic, and whoever have come up to this, please give me a heart and a love sign in the comment section. So we will be printing our first program Namaste dosto, as it will be the starting of my first program. So namaste dosto. So today up to this, please like and subscribe my channel. In the next upcoming videos, we will be using our own IDs that can be VS Code or any other thing or any our online IDs. But stay tuned and please like and subscribe my channel. Your one like means a lot to me. Thank you.